your files are locked. We encrypted all your data. To recover your files, send $300 in gift cards to attacker@email.com. You have 24 hours. Do not try to recover files or contact anyone, or your data will be lost forever. Imagine seeing this message on your Android phone. No home button. No recent apps. No access to your photos, videos, or files. Just fear. Before we go any further, this video is strictly for educational and defensive purposes. We are not building real malware, not infecting real devices, and not encouraging illegal activity. Everything you'll see and hear is explained from a cybersecurity awareness and analysis perspective, so Android users can understand how these attacks work and how to protect themselves. If you're here to learn how to stay safe, you're in the right place. Now, let's break it down. What is Android ransomware? Android ransomware is a type of malicious app designed to lock your screen or block access to your files or scare you into paying money. Unlike PC ransomware, Android ransomware focuses more on psychological pressure, screen locking, immediate control. The goal is simple: panic the victim and force fast payment. What is SARA Android ransomware? Now let's talk about SARA Android ransomware, and this is important to understand clearly. SARA Android ransomware is not magic, and it's not a Hollywood-level tool. It is commonly used in cybersecurity labs, malware analysis training, and awareness demonstrations to help researchers and learners understand how screen-locking ransomware behaves on Android devices. The original purpose of tools like SARA is to demonstrate ransomware behavior, to help analysts study infection flow, to train defenders on incident response, to raise awareness about social engineering attacks on Android. However, and this is critical, attackers abuse these tools by renaming them as legitimate apps, changing icons and app names, packaging them as reward or free money apps, distributing them outside official app stores. So while the tool itself may be created for learning or testing, its misuse turns it into a real threat. This is exactly how many Android ransomware incidents begin. Hackers don't start with encryption. They start with deception. They ask one question: what kind of app would make someone install this without thinking? That's why ransomware often disguises itself as free cash, reward app, crypto miner, giveaway tool, VIP unlocker. The app looks real, uses a normal icon, and promises fast money or rewards. The fake app scenario. From the outside, the app looks harmless. Clean name, attractive icon, simple description, no obvious danger. But inside, the app contains malicious logic that activates the moment it is opened. Some Android ransomware variants are designed so that the lock happens instantly. No obvious permission request appears. The user has no time to react. This is where panic begins. Why the screen locks immediately. Certain Android ransomware families rely on system-level abuse, overlay techniques, accessibility feature misuse, window hijacking logic. This allows the malware to sit on top of everything, block navigation buttons, prevent normal phone usage. That's why victims say, "The moment I opened the app, my phone froze." The attacker now displays a message like this: your files are locked. We encrypted all your data. To recover your files, send $300 in gift cards to attacker@email.com. You have 24 hours. Do not try to recover files or contact anyone, or your data will be lost forever. This message is carefully written to create urgency, stop rational thinking, prevent victims from asking for help. Why gift cards are used? Attackers prefer gift cards for one simple reason: control without traceability. Unlike bank transfers or credit cards, gift cards are designed to be anonymous. Once the code is sent, it's nearly impossible to track where the money goes or who redeemed it. There's no name, no address, and no easy way to reverse the transaction. Another reason attackers love gift cards is that they are irreversible. The moment the code is redeemed, the money is gone forever. Banks can sometimes freeze transactions, and crypto exchanges can flag suspicious wallets, but gift cards offer no such safety net. Gift cards also remove the technical barrier. Many victims don't understand cryptocurrency, wallets, or blockchain confirmations. Hackers know this. Gift cards are simple, familiar, and available in almost every store, making them the fastest payment method under pressure. And finally, attackers rely on speed and panic. A victim can walk into a nearby store, buy a gift card within minutes, and send the code immediately, all before they've had time to think, ask for help, or realize it's a scam. This is why it's important to remember, any app or message that demands payment in gift cards is 100% malicious. Legitimate companies, law enforcement, and tech services never request gift card payments. There are no exceptions. What happens if you pay? Here's the harsh reality most attackers never mention. Many victims who pay never regain access to their device or files. Once the attacker receives the payment, there is often no incentive to help the victim anymore. The attacker already has what they want. In some cases, the situation gets worse. After the first payment, attackers may respond with another demand, claiming there was an error, an additional fee, or that the payment was not enough. This turns one payment into multiple rounds of extortion. Other attackers simply disappear. Emails stop responding. Messages go unanswered. The victim is left with no money, no data, and no way to recover what was lost. Even in the rare cases where access is restored, there is no guarantee the malware is actually removed. The device may remain compromised, putting the victim at risk of future attacks, data theft, or repeated lockouts. The most important truth to understand is this: payment does not guarantee recovery. It only guarantees that attackers are rewarded and encouraged to target more victims. How to protect your Android device. Here's how Android users can stay safe. 1. Never install apps from unknown sources. Avoid APKs from Telegram groups, random websites, social media comments. 2. Be suspicious of free money apps. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. 3. Disable unnecessary accessibility access. Many ransomware strains abuse this feature. 4. Keep Google Play Protect enabled. It won't stop everything, but it helps. 5. Backup your data regularly. Offline backups can save you from total loss. 6. If infected, do not pay. Seek professional help or reset the device safely. Final disclaimer. Once again, this video is purely educational and created for awareness only. We do not support, promote, or assist in malware creation, ransomware attacks, or any illegal activity. All examples shown are explained from a defensive cybersecurity perspective, with the goal of helping users understand threats, avoid attacks, and stay safe online. Our focus is awareness, prevention, and cybersecurity education. If this video helped you understand how Android ransomware really works, like the video to spread awareness. Subscribe for more ethical cybersecurity content. And share this with Android users, it could save someone's data. Stay alert. Stay informed. And stay safe. Thanks for watching.